Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Urbex. Today is a weird trip to At Home. My local At Home down the street from me didn't have what I was looking for. I needed to exchange something and they were out of it. So I thought I'd go to the next closest At Home to me, which is this one right behind me that's over in Springdale, Ohio, right across from Tri-County Mall. And to my surprise, the store is closing. Since when did this start? I haven't heard anything about any of the at-home stores closing, but apparently this one is closing, so we're going to take a look at the at-home and their closing sale and see what they have to offer. If you'd like to check the at-home closing sale out with me, all you have to do is follow me. For those of you that aren't familiar with At Home, they used to be labeled as Garden Ridge before adopting the At Home name. And it's a home goods store, kind of like Home Goods, the actual store named Home Goods, but on a larger scale. They have all kinds of lamps, rugs, wall decor and accents. They have some inexpensive furniture inside. It's a nice store. Their lamp section is actually the best lamp section I've ever seen in a store, unless, of course, you go to a lighting store, but those lighting stores are outrageous. Unfortunately, this video is going to be kind of short. I just kind of wanted to take you through this store and give you a little tour of it and show you what they had to offer during their closing sale. If you're not a member of the Tilted Tripod Media Squad, then what are you waiting for? Head on over to patreon.com/tiltedtripodmedia. Link is on the screen and in the description box below. We've just launched a brand new product line just in time for the holidays, including mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, and much more. So, what are you waiting for? Check it out today and become a member, and also gain exclusive access to early content and special member-only content. Because the future of video is right here, right now, at Tilted Tripod Media. Thanks for joining me here as we took a look at the at-home sale. Well, that's going to do it for another video, and I'll see you in the next one.